In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in a Substack post. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional video placed right inside your article, ready for your readers to watch without leaving the page. Start by opening Substack in your web browser. Give yourself a moment to make sure your connection is stable and that the video file you want to use is easy to find on your computer. Having the file ready helps the process go smoothly and avoids last-minute searching. Once Substack is open and you're on your dashboard, look for the Create button. Click Create to begin a new draft. From the options that appear, click Article. This opens a fresh editor window where you can write your post and manage any media you want to include alongside your text. Inside the editor, place your cursor where you want the video to appear. Now, look for the toolbar option that represents media, often a small image or video icon within the formatting bar or the plus menu. Click the video image to bring up the media choices. In the menu that appears, click on the Embed Video option. This tells Substack you want to add a video block to your article rather than just plain text or an image. A file picker will open on your computer. Navigate to the video you want to embed, then click on the video you want to embed to select it. Check that you're choosing the correct file, ideally a standard format like MP4 that's optimized for web playback. If the file is large, don't worry, but be aware that upload times can vary based on your internet speed. When you've highlighted the right file, click Open. Substack will start uploading and preparing the video. You may see a brief progress indicator. Let it finish before moving on. When the upload completes, you'll be prompted to place the video in your post. Click Insert. The video player will appear exactly where your cursor was positioned. From here, you can continue writing above or below the video, add context or a short introduction, and adjust the surrounding formatting to match your style. If your layout looks crowded, add a bit of spacing to keep your post readable. That's it. You opened Substack, created a new article, used the Media tool to choose the Embed Video option, selected your file, clicked Open, and then clicked Insert. With those steps done, your video is embedded and ready for your audience to enjoy right inside your Substack post.